Yo, what up everybody? So I know I messed up on the last video, but what happened was I didn't put this tension pulley thing properly. So I just got a new one, right? Ordered it on Amazon. Came pretty quick. Well, it's been like a couple of days now, right? And now I'm about to put this in. Now, the thing about this, well, this is easy with the screw. This here. Connect this. That perfect. And then it drops like this.
Yeah.
So that's where I was confused on my stuff.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. And the tension.
So that's gonna be tense.
Tension. Yeah. Push.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then you gotta like do this when the drum is on. You know, you put it on loose, right? And then when you gotta do it blindfolded. You just pretty much put this one on the tension pulley. And it should be good to go. I think I can leave it like this for now. Once I get around the drum, I'll know what to do below. Right? So get this on the drum, get the drum on the wheel. Not bad. I got it. That's on there. You gotta do that part like blindfolded. Yeah, feel for it. And back with this part. Feels good. The wheels on the track. Got on your basket. Alright, so finally put everything back together and this is what we get. The dryer is working like brand new. No problems whatsoever. Alright? So yeah, you can feel the heat and everything coming from it. And I hope this video helped. So peace out, love you all, take care, bless up, done now.